He called you a cowboy. What did he mean? What are you?
No, I'm going to kill you.
Just a humble bounty hunter, man.
Hold up, wait a minute, let me put some pimpin' in it. Hold up. What's going on, players? How y'all niggas doing? Is everybody good? Let me get a good look at y'all motherfuckers. Is y'all straight? You know what I'm saying? Peep this, players. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. Look, I hope everybody's having a good day, you feel me? Because if you not, I got something to fix that. I'm going to switch it up a little bit, feel me? I have not yet done a compilation video. And motherfuckers was asking me in the chat, can I do this? Now look, if I was going to do it on somebody, Kevin Paradox is the motherfucker I would want to do it for. Because Kevin Paradox, Kevin, you know, that motherfucker is something else. You know, God placed a special hand on him when he made him. Because the way the motherfucker be moving is like God tier. You feel what I'm saying? I'm finna watch this dance compilation. And Kevin Paradox at Birds in the Trap said birds in... I'm just fucking with y'all. Look, I'm about to watch this video. We finna get busy. Kevin Paradox, he ain't finna let me down. Blah. Volume good? He got his signed KPs. Shit. Uh-oh. He already getting in that zone. I fuck with this flip. Anytime I see Kevin wear them pants, you in trouble. Uh-huh. Damn. Nice. Nice. Already. Uh-huh. Nice. He got crazy balance, man. Woo! Oh, no. Hey, switch it up. Speed change. Damn. Now, the scary part is I feel like this is just a warm-up round. Nice. Damn. Baby girl in the back put her hands to her head like, oh, no. What we got? What we got? Uh-huh. And look at that. Look at the amount of time he took to just breathe for a second. He has crazy body control. Nice. Timing. God damn. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. He's leaving Earth. Nice. Damn. Look how he didn't even reset. He kept his posture up there. Started working with the footwork. Damn. Whoa! Oh no. Now he just talking this shit. Now he just talking this shit. You feel what I'm saying? Oh no. Uh-huh. Nice. Nice. That's too easy for him, man. I like this beat a lot. I like this beat a lot. Oh! He said, back up, please. Oh! Boom! Nice. Damn. And I like it too because he's always exploring within his dance and he's still able to connect. Nice. Hey, that was heavy. That was heavy. He was talking his shit for sure. What is homie in the back doing? Somebody stop him. They do not got this nigga dancing to the bad little girl. Whoa! I didn't lift the leg up! Oh no! Oh shit. Damn, he be doing them knee spins. I don't know how he be doing that. Where you get knees for that shit at? Cause I can't do the goddamn. And it seemed like he never lose like the connection with the music. Cause in most cases, people black out. You feel what I'm saying? Like sometimes when they gone, they gone. Hold on. I might get copyrighted for this shit. God damn. Let me lower it. Maybe if I lower it down. I know about it. I'm trying to make some noise so they don't hear it. I get copyrighted out like a lot when I be having music like this. It's okay. I apologize. Y'all probably gonna get mad at me. I really wanted to see this shit too. Oh no. I swear to God, today, if y'all want to practice with me and Kevin, I'm practicing lower levels today. All the stuff they be doing on the ground with their legs, like him and Alex and Boo Boos and everything, man, I gotta practice that today. They legs is made of fucking steel. Robo legs or some shit. Nice. Uh-oh, he in attack mode now. He coming for your neck piece. That was crazy. That was crazy. Let me turn it back up. Nice. It just seemed like he was spazzing out the whole time. You know what I'm saying? Doing what he normally do best. Nice. Nice. That's just what Kevin do. He just going stupid now. Oh no. Oh no. Somebody stop him. Ah. Yeah, he was feeling that. He was feeling that. Look, he floating and shit. How you doing that? Wait a minute, nigga. What kind of wizardry is this? Alright, y'all. Look, I just gotta wrap with y'all real quick, right? I enjoyed the video. Now, there are two things that I like to mention when I watch a battle, though. So, the camera angle is very important. You know what I'm saying? Like when you be watching fusion concept videos and the camera be all fucked up, it be changing angles all the time. It fuck up the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like you was connecting and then it changed, or like the transition. It fucks up your attention to the detail. Like it really throws it off. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but if y'all don't fuck with it, if y'all don't see that, like that's not a problem. Y'all like these, then cool. The second thing is, do you like the compilation format? You know what I'm saying? Like it just constantly throws you in multiple rounds, so it's hard to connect to each one off rip. You know what I'm saying? So just let me know if y'all like these. Hop in the comment section, talk your shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm here for us. So let me know what the deal is, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. You did, Kevin. Kevin. Paradox. Use a bad boy. Use a bad. Peace.